Hello gang members, welcome back to my video on my channel. Today we're going to be doing the try not to react challenge. So today we're going to be trying not to react to the second half of MasterChef. So strap in, gang members. Leave the comments whether you reacted or not. Okay guys, here we go. They're basically opening some oysters right now. So it's gonna be crazy. So this is gonna be crazy.
It was something that I'd always wanted to pull those self-doubts. To get better, I've got to push forward. It's now or never.
Okay. I would like you to make us a 3 oyster Rockefeller. Now, have you made them before?
I haven't, mate.
Had them?
Never eaten them, mate.
Okay. Oyster Rockefeller is open to interpretation, but it does need to be vibrant with herbs and gratinated with some crumbs. Alright, 15 minutes, off you go.
I think this part's the exciting part.
Do you by chance have oysters on the menu? No, never. And I'll be honest, I personally don't like them. And for that reason, I can't serve something that I don't love.
My fingers covering the camera there.
What mistake do you think you made? Soaking the oysters in the water, but I had some shell on it, and I didn't want you to eat the shell.
Why did you become a chef, Dave?
I was actually working in the film industry, and I spent more time.
I'm also working in the film industry. That's not a reaction, that's just a statement.
Quit London, quit Windsor, top of this. You're halfway, right?
Oh well guys, that truly was a shame. I did actually react. So tell me tell me gang members whether you lost the challenge or defeat it. Did you react or did you unreact? Did you not react? Leave a like and description next time for more videos. Peace out, gang members.